3 smart finds you can give your loved ones this holiday season. Christmas is all about giving, so we have rounded up 3 smart finds you can give your family or loved ones this holiday season. Just remember, it is not a price but rather the amount of thought and effort you put in giving, so let us begin with number 1. Wearable tech. There are a lot of good ones out there and it doesn't need to be pricey. Just make sure it has the standard features you're looking for like notifications, apps, answer messages by voice, fitness tracking, GPS, and most of all, a good battery life. This is a good deal if your loved one is planning on losing weight after the holidays. Number 2. Personalized jewelry. Make it personal. If you are uncertain about your loved one's preference or choice of jewelry, personalized jewelry always makes thoughtful Christmas presents. From monogram rings to pendants with names or bracelets with initials, customizable jewelry is always stylish and timeless. Number 3. Luxfurni Jewelry Armoire. If you want your partner's holiday high to extend until next year, then this is your answer. Make her feel special with this jewelry cabinet mirror from Luxfurni. It has all the hooks and compartments she needs for all her jewelries and accessories. Organizing your precious items has never been this fun. We guarantee you that you will feel special and appreciated this Christmas season, whether it's a gift to yourself or to your special someone. Know more about us at www.luxfurni.com or hit the subscribe button below. See you again next time.